Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to report and block users on Bluesky. So I will be on official website and make sure you will have logged in. And if I just choose it a random user on Bluesky, I will just tap on it profile, and when it's open I will just tap to three dots, and after here you will see there are options is add to list, mute account, blocked account and report account. So if you want to report this account, you will just tap on it simply, which is last option with flag. And if you want to just block the account, simply you will just tap on this second last option is blocked. I will just tap on it, and blocked accounts cannot reply in your threads, mention you or otherwise interact with you. So I will just tap on blocked. So here the account was blocked. So you will see you will can't see this any post replies and media, and the blocked user also cannot see yours. So what I'm going to do, I will just tap on my home, and if you want to block users in your followings, you will just tap on it following, and if I just tap on it profile, so simply as it you will just tap on three dots, and here you will see block account. So you will just tap on it, and if you want to report this account, you will just tap on it simply and tell the users if you want to report this user. So why should these users be reviewed? Misleading account, frequently post unwanted content, name or description violates community standards and other. So you will just select your reason and just tab on it. It will report this user. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.